Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to speak a little quietly because it's 3 o'clock in the morning, everybody's asleep. But I'm going to use Miranda's Secret Wish, which Corgi's Wine and Nails is her YouTube channel and her Instagram handle. But she made that color because Sparkle & Co. makes custom colors and they put it on their secret menu. So Miranda from Corgi's Wine and Nails created Miranda's Secret Wish, and it's gorgeous. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use these cute little vinyl decals that I got from WeLoveGlitterDesign, which I'll link both Sparkle & Co.'s website down in the description box. I'll also link WeLoveGlitterDesign in the description box, and I will also link Sparkle & Co.'s Facebook group, because in order to get colors off of the secret menu on Sparkle & Co., you have to be in their Facebook group. So anyway, I decided to do a one color mani. This color is a temperature changer. So when it's cold, it's like a darker lavender, and when it's hot, it's a lighter lavender. So I want to do a one color manicure and add these cute little snowflakes. And yeah, I do 3 coats of the color. And this color, you guys, there's so much flakes in it that I found it best to just lay my finger down in it, and the flakes pretty much flatten themselves out. When I take the baggie to flatten them, I apply the slightest amount of pressure, and it pretty much, like I said, flattens itself, as you can see here. And when I went to dust it off before applying another layer, I used a big fluffy kabuki brush, and I barely dusted it, because there's just the amount of flakes in it. Flakes tend to tear easily, so very little pressure needs to be done here. And at the same time, I think that's what makes it lay flat so well by itself. I barely had to do anything to lay these flakes flat. It was really easy to apply, you guys. I'm making it sound worse than what it was, but it was really easy to apply. It's really soft and fluffy, and it was 3 coats. I mean, I had a layer of clear underneath, 3 coats of color, and I clear capped, and my nails are still not super thick. So yeah, let's get this color on so I can show you how to apply the decals. So again, I left this clip in just to show you guys that I'm just using a huge Dollar Tree kabuki brush, and I'm not putting any pressure on at all, because these flakes, usually I use a hard bristled brush to really make sure I get everything off, but when I did that the first time, the flakes kind of broke on me. So really light pressure, just graze your brush over the nail, and as you're doing it, I noticed that it flattened out. It like helped the flakes flatten out as the brush went over it. So anyway, WeLoveGlitterDesign, when you go to their website, they have tools, and this little pen, which you guys ignore the nasty greenie on my pinky. It's okay. It'll go away. I know it's there. It's not on my middle finger and on my index finger. That's just leftover color. But anyway, they have this little pin here, and it's super cute. It has like a diamond on the other end of it. And you just use it to sort of peel off the decal and then place it. And as you can see, I like took another finger to hold the decal down, and then I flattened it. And these decals, once I figured out how to really get that pin under it and start applying it, I just went to town. It was so easy to apply and so much fun because it was so easy and it was quick. You literally just pick it up, plop it on. And because they're snowflakes, you don't really have to think too much about the pattern. And I'm showing you here how flat they lay. They're really flat, they're really thin. And I'm telling you guys, I had plans to only do a couple on one fingernail, but no. Once I got the hang of just using that pen to get them on, I like just went to town. But I ended up loving the results, and they were just so easy to use, so easy to apply. And again, the fact that they're really thin helps keep your nail from being bulky when you go to cap over it. There was only 2 casualties that I had where I accidentally filed some of it off, but it wasn't too bad. And that could have been just from maybe needing one more layer of clear. So I'm just going to keep in where I'm clear capping because I don't always put it in the video. And some people might not know what I mean by clear capping, but I'm just applying my base coat like I would any dip color and dipping it into the clear. And then I dust that off really good with a hard bristle brush to make sure I get all extra off. That way it'll be crystal clear whenever the top coat comes on. And here's the finished look. Ignore the god-awful lighting. My ring light died. So here's what the color looks like in cold water. It's just, the lighting's gonna flush it out so bad, but it's just a little bit of a deeper lavender. And then I put it in warm water and you see it gets a little bit lighter. But the snowflakes look so cute over it. I was hesitating about the snowflakes, but it worked. And then Jude Nails It, you guys, next Friday is coming out with her own cuticle oil line. Sorry. She's coming out with pens first, and then she's thinking about doing refill bottles. This scent, Cinnablend, it's Christmas in a damn bottle. Like, if you like cinnamon and you like Christmassy, like potpourri smell, you're gonna love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box because I'll link Corgi's Wine and Nails, I'll link Sparkle & Co, and I'll link We Love Glitter Design for you, so it's easy for you to get to. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!